crush it in this game, you're gonna need an offer that your audience actually wants, okay? That's number one. Then number two is you're going to need a tactic, I hate to say it, but you're going to need an actual framework to deliver that offer. And it's gonna be different from when you start your agency, 0 to 30, 40 clients, and then when you scale and grow past that. So in this video, I'm gonna talk to you about the tactics that you need to use to grow your agency and what you need to do to create an offer that actually compels people to say, yes, check it out. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe, notify bell, all that stuff. See you later. But yes, from 0 to 100, it's one avatar, one offer, one sales funnel. That's it. Repeated over and over and over again. And that's why a lot of times when I talk to people who are, should I do a VSL? Should I do a webinar? No, do a demo. Because the only way you're going to learn the person, and this ties directly to the offer creation process, is by talking to them. Okay, you can't get a sense of their psychographics and their dynamic situations if you don't talk to them. There's so many people that want to automate away their sales process and do webinars because they saw me do a webinar and get, I got 53 agency customers in one webinar. And because I did that, people are like, dude, can I do that? Well, timing, avatar, dynamics, needs, like there's so many things that go into that. So no, you can't. I mean, maybe you can, but do this other thing consistently every single day. You drive that nail through the board and eventually you'll have a house built up. So that's step one. Now we talk in this meeting about sub-niche, offers, and persuasion. And so I think we've covered the niche thing pretty extensively at this point. The offer thing is a big question mark for so many people. Now, I'm going to give you a quick little analogy to think about offers, and then we'll pull it apart so you guys can hopefully understand this. If you were to go to a restaurant and sit down, and let's say it's a steakhouse, okay? We want some steak. And you look at the menu, and on the menu, they had a meal that was mashed potatoes. And then they had a meal that was macaroni and cheese. And then they had a meal that was whatever, but they're all single items. And you said, okay, well, I guess I'm just gonna order the mashed potatoes. And you got a plate of mashed potatoes. That's kind of an offer, but it's kind of also like not an offer. Now, my kid would love just mashed potatoes, but most of us have more things that we want, an outcome that we want to satisfy the different parts of our experience. So I want steak, I want potatoes, and I want some roasted carrots and asparagus. Bam, bam, bam. I now have a package. I got a package deal. Okay. That's an offer that I chose because it satisfied all of the complementing things, the situations I needed. So that's why when we put an offer out that it's like, get your consultation or get your estimate or get your thing. Well, all you gave me was a plate of mashed potatoes. This is when I look at Alex Hormozi's book, and he talks about the value equation. People will pay you to save time, to make money, to whatever, health, wealth, relationships, all that kind of stuff. Whatever the category is that you're going into, it's not just a singular need. It is a dynamic need. And that's why when you're at too broad of a category, making offers to people becomes very complex and difficult. For example, I have a customer and they have a device called a Neon Track. And when I pair up with their device and their customers, what I know about that person is this person just paid money for this device. They want to help people, but they really want to pay off that investment as well. So what are the things that they want? They want to help people. They want to make money. They want to do it faster. They want to not go backwards. So all of these things are a situation that I need to deconstruct in order to fix. Now, if I can deconstruct that problem better than Josh can, than Dale can, than Jeremy can, I win because I'm creating more value. I've taken more time to understand the avatar than they have. And so that is why offer creation is not a surface level thing. I feel like so many people just throw offers out there. Like, well, they said you have to have an offer, so I'm going to throw this out there. It's like, I'm going to beat you every time. And that is how you create an offer. That is how you embody an outcome for somebody. You want people by the end of your conversation saying stuff like, yeah, let's go. I'm ready to go. Now, there's one question that I ask in the beginning of a demo call, and this will hopefully put a bow on this conversation. There's one question I ask. I'll say, hey, Josh, I'm going to ask you a silly question. If I were a marketing genie in a bottle and you were to rub my lamp, what marketing outcome could I create for your business? And then Josh is going to give me all of the things that he wants in his offer. And if I do that enough times, I'll be able to pull out all those conversations, be like, okay, I need to have offers that are specific to these products. I need to have conversations that Capri executes that are specific to those things. I need to be able, and I'll go through all the things that solves all problems. And then the next time I talk to Josh, because I didn't close him the first time, the next time I talk to him, I'm going to say, hey, Josh, if there was a way to get qualified knee patients, have them booked on your appointment, on your calendar, hands off, you're not calling them, and then double your practice with that one condition. On a scale from 1 to 10, how interested would you be in that offer? You think he's going to say 0? No, he's going to raise his hand. He goes, if you can do that, I'm in. And that is how you close a sale without even having to close a sale. You just give them what they need. Harry Brown, best salesman to ever do it. He said, ask people what they want you to sell them, then sell them that thing. That's how you make an offer.